In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare with a domain on GoDaddy 2026. Add Cloudflare name servers in GoDaddy. We're going to connect your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare so you get faster performance, better security, and easier DNS management. Start by signing in to your Cloudflare dashboard. On the home screen, click the Add button and choose Connect a Domain. When prompted, type your domain exactly as it's registered, then select the free plan. The free tier is perfect for most sites and gives you CDN, DNS, and basic protection without any cost. Cloudflare will now scan your existing DNS records from GoDaddy. This scan usually finds your key records automatically, like A records that point your root domain to a server IP, and CNAME records that point subdomains to other hosts. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure your A and CNAME records match your current hosting setup, and that any mail-related records, such as MX and essential TXT entries, are present. If you see duplicates or outdated entries from a past host, remove only what you're certain you no longer use. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Keep the Cloudflare page open because it will show you two unique name servers assigned to your domain. Open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Go to My Products, find your domain under Domains, and click it to open the settings. Choose DNS, then Name Servers. Click Change, and select the option to enter my own name servers, sometimes labeled as Advanced. Now return to Cloudflare, copy the first name server, and paste it into the first field in GoDaddy. Do the same with the second name server, replacing the existing GoDaddy name servers entirely. Save your changes. If GoDaddy asks you to confirm the update, approve it. Back in Cloudflare, you'll see a pending status while the name server update propagates across the internet. This can take up to 24 to 48 hours, though in many cases it completes within minutes or a few hours. During this time, avoid making unrelated DNS changes so you don't introduce confusion. If your site uses email, double check later that MX and SPF or DKIM TXT records are still present and unchanged. Once Cloudflare detects the name servers, your domain will show as active in the dashboard. From there, you're all set and you can continue using Cloudflare to manage DNS confidently while benefiting from its global network and protection.